Ooh. Ooh. What? A bass already ate something? Hey, so I am at my freaking dream farm. And when I say dream farm, I literally mean this is my absolute dream to have a place like this. Finally have one. It's beautiful. I've got a pond here. This little dude is 20 feet deep. It's gonna be a crappie pond soon. We're gonna be stocking crappie in it, filming that as well. But today, we're gonna be testing the bass population because I'm pretty sure an otter came and visited this pond because the bass are very stunted. They got a lot of really big ones and then way more small ones. And it's weird because we stocked them all at the same time. So how did that happen? Don't know. We're gonna figure that out. Then after that, we're going to the place where dreams are made of, the second pond. Now this second pond, absolutely huge, about 18 feet in the middle, got sunken tree trunks, got literally bushes, like live bushes growing out of this lake. Best bass fishing I've ever had in my entire life, I promise you. And you're about to see it right after we test this pond out. So come with me, let's catch some bass. And also, if you haven't already, freaking hit that subscribe button and the like button. I mean, dude, it's so freaking easy and it would help me out so freaking much. Bass are going ham right now. They are so excited for this bait. They're just not big enough to eat it, which is weird because these bass have been here for 4 years. What the frick, man? Pond's just too slow. So out here, if you can see that little stick standing out there, that's the 18-foot mark and they have a giant stump right there. So I love to toss a weightless jig or a weedless jig, I guess, or something that's totally will not get caught up in brush because 9 times out of 10 there's a bass sitting on that tree trunk. Look, he's skiing. There you go. He's got like 50 bass with him right now. This is the OG bass. 2 casts in a row, right? So look, just want to recap, just so y'all can understand the sheer awesomeness of what has happened in this pond. This guy, about 17, 18 inches long, easy 2 pounds, thick. This is generation 1. Isn't that cool? Look at the size difference in the bass in this pond. This guy, second generation. He's already 13 inches long and almost a pound. In 4 years, 2 generations of bass. They're already this big. That's freaking cool, dude. This pond, 5 years from now, I'm gonna be pulling 10 pounders out of here. 100%. look. You want to see something cool? Cameraman, come over here. I want you to film where the bait goes. All right? Right there. Give it one little jigga jigga. Two little jigga jiggas. Three. You hear him over there? It's like the Amazon, dude. It's like peacock bass. What is this? 5 fish in about 2 minutes. Comment below. Oop, no, poor guy. I didn't mean it. Hey, chill. Comment below a pond that you know that is only 4 years old that's producing fish like that. My comment section should have 0 comments. Well, if you really do have a pond like that, I'd love for you to send me videos of it, because I am a freak about ponds that are good, and I have found the absolute best pond I've ever fished in my life. Obviously, why? Look again, no cuts. You ready? I'm going to throw it right back out. Give it a little wing jangle. Make it look like a little spastic bait fish. Let it fall to the bottom. And then just give her a little jigga jagga. I don't know what a jigga jagga is, but you know what it is. And had one. You missed it. Come on, watch. Ready? Same cut. Gonna throw it out here, right on top of the water. Drop. Little jig. Little jig. Come on, eat it right in front of me. All right. Now we're going this angle. Bait has hit the ground or the water. Give it a couple jigs. And let her sit. That's a nice one too. Look how beautiful the colors are on these fish. They're so freaking healthy. In next video, we're gonna be stocking this pond full of shad. Just imagine what these bass are gonna do. So this right here, can imagine, first generation, summer fish. So he's not gonna be that fat. Still a solid 2 pounds, 18, all day. He done shook my weightless off, so we're gonna go right on back to the buzz bait. There are so many bass here. Another 2 pound bass. Bloop. And watch this. Keep it rolling. Take my bait. Oh. Get a bird's nest, because you know that's going to come. And then toss right back out to where the school is, because they're fired up. Guess that was the one fish in the school. Go back out. Bring her to the bottom, find another school of bass, and let them follow you all the way back to the shore. And trust me, I'm reeling this fast because I want the biggest and the baddest to be able to bite it, not the small ones, like I just caught now. Oh, never mind. Holy. Biggest one of the day, boy. No, it's not. Never mind. Pound for pound probably is, but not the longest. Boom. And is that not a healthy bass? I mean, look at that, man. No damage to the fins. Beautiful green color. I mean, fight like a champ, man. Fight like a fish that's never been caught before. Isn't that insane? All right, guys, so this spot that we were just at, I like to call it the nursery. Now I'm gonna bring you down to the duck blind, because right off the duck blind is about 3 feet deep straight for about 100 yards. That's where the big boys hang out. So we're gonna catch you right over there once we get everything set up. Hey guys, so we are here at the duck blind, and if you could take a little look around, it is the obvious most juicy area on this pond. And that it is. You are correct in your assumption. Damn, it is right. Definitely want to take care of your bass. They give you a good fight. You definitely don't want to just hurt them. So you got to work that bait out just like I did. Look at that color, man. That's a healthy fish. Very healthy fish. All right, anything smaller than him we're going to keep. We're going to do a largemouth catch and cook tonight too. Fix the trailer, because you know when you're fishing an awesome fishery, your trailer actually gets messed up. So always make sure to watch out for that, because you do not want to walk a couple hundred acres to go get a little soft plastic bait. Ooh. Again, trailer's giving me problems. They're obviously liking the end of it. Gonna cut the trailer in half. Gonna bring them closer to that hook, just like so, and we're good. Back out there. Little bitty guy. This is generation 3. So 3 generations of bass in 4 years. Do the math. It's pretty good. Doing pretty good, my friends. Ooh. Ooh. That is who we're looking for. Jesus Christ. These fish are nothing but muscle. That's generation 1, boys. 3 pounds all freaking day. 20 inches all day. Look at that head. And look at that color. I mean, it might be my sunglasses, but this fish is the most beautiful bass. I've not caught bass that look this pretty in a very long time. And he's biting my finger. And he's moving his eyeballs at me. You know what? He's gonna get a respectable release, because this is a very nice bass. And when you get a nice bass, ooh, do not make this worse. You always want to take care of that bass. Don't want nothing to hurt him, because that is your mama. That's your big mama making all of them other bass. You got to make sure she's okay. There's the ear. Boom. That is Mr. Bass, who we are going to be chowing on today. And it's a male, so we're not losing too much. All right, guys, so we got our little eater bass right here. We're going to go bring them home, cook them as straight from the pond to the table, as fresh as we can get it, and we're going to grill them. So don't think we're going to be doing some cheap out frying. No, we making some freaking finesse ass bass. Hey guys, so we are back here at the farm, and we have filleted our bass up. We're definitely not risking no freaking monetization stuff on a video like this, because this video is a banger in my opinion. So we have our bass completely clean, completely bled out, and deboned. Now, instead of frying the fish like most people do, which I consider the easy way out, we are going to do a very special recipe. We call this New Orleans style. Take some mustard, put it up on there. Right? Then we'll rub it in. I absolutely hate mustard, but after it's done doing its thing, it actually is pretty good. So, bring it down. Just like that. The mustard is more of a bonding agent to help the seasoning stick to it a little bit better. The mustard will cook out. You're not going to taste yellow mustard at the end of this. And if you do, you didn't cook it long enough. Alright, so we are all prepped up to go out to the grill. So the grill is freaking spicy hot. And we're going to throw our bass up on there. So what you want to do, you want to do skin down. You want to take our fillet, just like so. Lay it down. Just like that. You lay her down like that. And then you close this, let it get smoked. We're going to hit y'all back in about 5 more minutes, and we're going to give y'all minute by minute color analysis and tell y'all the exact best time to pull a bass off the grill.
Sit.
Alright guys, so it's been 1 straight minute. We're going to show you what the bass looks like. Lift her up, should be getting a nice white tone to it. Look at that. Give her about 1 or 2 more minutes and she should be done. Alright guys, so our bass is done. So we're going to be very gentle here. Try and get under the scales. So we got our bass, and we're going to give it to our fish eater because I do not eat fish. We're going to get a 10 out of 10 score, or maybe less. Alright guys, so we have finished the bass, and now it has been cooked, and now we're going to have our little food eater. She's going to give it a 10 out of 10 Emmy score. So please, please, please let her do good, because this is the first time I've ever tried it. It's good?
Like an 8.
8? And it's cooked all the way through?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, so we have finished fishing in Dream Pond number 1 and Dream Pond number 2. We harvested a 2nd generation bass who was about 17 inches long, 1 pound. We put him, we killed him quickly, he didn't feel a thing. Then after that we filleted him. We put him on the grill, mustard on the outside, and Trade Winds steak seasoning on the outside. We rolled it on a very low heat to allow for that mustard to caramelize and become crust. And it was on the grill for, I'd say, about a good 5 to 7 minutes all the way through. And apparently it tasted really, really good. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't freaking yet and you made it to the end of this video, please click that like button, click that subscribe button, and click that little freaking bell, ding it a bunch, annoy everybody just like the PewDiePie bells in his, that he would use to annoy Water Sheep. Do that to me, please. I will see you guys tomorrow or next year with a new video. Skirt.